This is Sloan Miller, Allergic Girl, and I'm here in Brooklyn in November, and I'm about to go shopping in one of my favorite places to go shop. And this is my new thing this week. Yeah, this is Chef Billy Brightson, and we're going to go shopping together because Billy is going to be cooking for me for my birthday and for a bunch of my friends in my home, free of all of my allergens and full of all of the things that I love to eat. We're in the apple aisle of the store, but no one can know we're here. And we're gonna pick apples. I think we're gonna make baked apples. I love baked apples. So Rome for baking is traditional.
We're looking at Napa cabbage and Savoy cabbage.
It's as big as my head.
Yeah. Huge, yeah.
And this is to make
our kimchi, which will go with our Peking duck.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm like, can't stand myself.
Yeah, and we're doing a special little kind of kimchi recipe. We're leaving out fish sauce, which is a
ginger and garlic because it's essential. We have shallots just, you know, for fun. When I leave Chef alone for like 2 minutes and he picks up a huge tuber. Goat's milk yogurt. I tried their kefir, out of this world, really tangy. We're gonna try and make a goat's milk ice cream. We're looking for hen at the woods, but they aren't here, so we're gonna improvise and get something else mushroomy for the first course. They have portobellos, they have oyster, they have baby bellas. We'll find something. Putting the food away. We didn't get the duck, which is the main part of the meal. We're gonna go to, I think we're going to a place, this is called the Meat Hook. It sounds like a nightclub. I think it's actually going to be a place where it sells meat. Okay, could you not? It smells like salami. Very cool.
I'll wait the last minute, but I knew you guys coming through. I don't think so. Let me see.
So we couldn't find duck at the place in Brooklyn. We came to another part of Brooklyn, the Meat Hook, as you can see over here. It's actually a friend of Billy's that you know from Marlowe and Daughters, which is one of my favorite meat places, to get our duck. So hopefully we will get duck tonight. Otherwise we are done with the vegetables. We're gonna set up some kimchi, I think, now, and overall our shopping day is done, right?
Yes.
So thanks for joining us. The next segment we're going to be doing is we're going to be cooking it and eating it. So join us for that. This is Sloan Miller of Allergic Girl with Chef Billy Brightson.